The SmartHQ app has product features and miscellaneous features in both Bluetooth mode and non-Bluetooth mode. In this video, let's understand the various miscellaneous features. The Session History option shows a detailed view of data associated with GE appliance troubleshooting sessions you have executed previously. During a Bluetooth troubleshooting session, diagnostic data, such as cycle history, fault codes, and alerts, is captured. Technicians can even upload photographs to the cloud for future reference. The next option, Share Data, allows you to share data files containing diagnostic data of previously executed troubleshooting sessions with other technicians. Select the required session that you want to share. Click Share and select the email option to email it to others. Click Send to share the session details with another technician. The Training Videos option displays the training videos for all the features of SmartHQ. Click any topic to view a short video on the functionality of that feature. One Parts is an option that offers exploded view drawings of subsystems of GE appliances. Click any diagram to view more details about that part. You can select the required parts and add them to a pick list. You can also email the pick list to a chosen recipient. You can use the parts ordering option to find parts or to visit the parts marketplace to buy parts. Click Parts Marketplace to purchase replacement parts for your appliance from the distributor of your choice. Enter your customer code and SmartHQ will instantly direct you to the distributor's website. Discover a whole new way to get the parts you need from the company you already do business with. This brings us to the end of the video. In the miscellaneous features, the Session History option displays the session history of a specific model. The Share Data option allows you to share data files containing diagnostic data of previously executed troubleshooting sessions with other technicians. The Training Videos section allows you to view short videos of the various features of SmartHQ. The One Parts option displays exploded view drawings of subsystems of GE appliances, and the Parts Ordering option allows you to purchase replacement parts from the distributor of your choice.